Greetings. In this video, I will show you how to use the FenceTrack Android application. This application uses geofencing technology. What is a geofence? A geofence is a circular region on the earth with a center point and some radius. See here, I created a geofence with center point and some radius. The radius can be 100 meters, 200 meters, 1000 meters, that is 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, etc. Depends on your requirement. This is a geofence, and a set of geofences is a route. Chennai to Trichy is a route. On the way I created a set of geofences. If you have more than one route, the active route is displayed in this color. See, I have two routes here, Chennai to Trichy and Bangalore to Villupuram. So Bangalore to Villupuram is inactive now. The Chennai to Trichy is activated, so this displays in this color. So now using this geofence, when you are entering into a geofence, this application can generate a audio alert for you. This can also send SMS alerts to your friends, family members, saying that you reached this geofence. When do you need a audio alert for you? Let us take an example. A tourist is visiting Tamil Nadu, India. They are new to this place, and they landed in Madras International Airport here. They are traveling to Trichy. On the way, they would like to see some places. So here there is a famous temple after Chengalpattu. There is a famous temple here, Melmaruvattur. So here, if they would like to get the alert when they reach Melmaruvattur, they can create a geofence here with some radius, let us say like 2 kilometer. And once they are reaching this area, they will get the audio alert. Even if you know the route well, you like to inform your friends, family members, saying that you crossed this geofence like that. So when you are traveling from Chennai to Trichy, you can say I crossed Chengalpattu, I crossed Melmaruvattur, I crossed Villupuram, like that. So now I will show you how to create a geofence. Create geofence. So this is the route name that will be displayed here. When you are choosing a select route, see here your route name. This is Bangalore to Villupuram, Chennai to Trichy. So whatever name you would like to display here, you can enter the route name here. Then you have to pick the lat long from the map. So while selecting the lat long from the map, you have to go to the maximum zoom level possible. Otherwise it may not trigger the geofence even. So accuracy will be good if you go to the maximum zoom level. So this is the highway, Chennai Trichy highway. So I am creating a geofence here. Just do a long press, you will get this create. So by default you will get 100 meter radius, but in a highway you will cross like 1 kilometer with less than a minute. So I will put like a 2 kilometer radius. Then you will put some name for this geofence. So here you can choose whether you want alert when you are entering a geofence or exiting a geofence, or in both cases. So here you can choose whether you want alert for yourself. If you select alert for yourself, then you have to choose a audio file from your mobile. So now I am disabling. So this option allows you to inform other persons when you are reaching a geofence. You select it, then you choose the other person from the contact list. So now disabling it. Then you say register geofence, then it will create the geofence. Now before start using this application, you have to enable the Wi-Fi. Whether you are connected or not, you don't worry. Just simply enable the Wi-Fi, enable GPS, then you have to enable the Google mobile location service. See here, location service. I enabled to use wireless network, use GPS, access my location. These settings will be in different places for different versions of the Android. So but you have to enable all these things. Then you have to enable 2G or 3G data connection. So the data usage will be very less. One time if you use this application, you will know how much data is used by this application. Now I will show you how the events are getting triggered. See, I selected the route here. Chennai to Trichy is activated. These are the geofences, and the application is in the automatic mode. And in this geofence in Melmarvattur, when I reach Melmarvattur, I will get alert for myself. When I reach Villupuram, I selected inform to other person, that is my family member, and I have enabled internet connection, Wi-Fi, GPS, Google mobile location service. So now I am going to simulate my travel. So I am using fake GPS to simulate my travel. So now I am traveling on the national highway. So here is the Melmarvattur. So here is the Melmarvattur. So somewhere here is the temple. So when I am within the radius of the geofence, it will get triggered. So here I am going to set the location. So that will stop the audio. Now the next I am going to reach Villupuram. That time it will send a SMS to here. So now Villupuram is on the national highway only. You have to come. Okay. See here. So here is Villupuram. So I come to Villupuram. So now I am going to set the location. See, this has sent a SMS to
Says reached VLP. Says reached VLP.
VLP means Villupuram. So whatever name you have mentioned here, that will read. So why it is reading the SMS? Because I also have the same application here in this mobile, and I configured to enable read in this fence track application. So that is why whenever the fence track message is coming, it is reading. If you don't have this application, here a simple message will come for you. So here, that is the message. See here, it says fence track. The XYZ is my name. So you can put your name so that the name will come. Reached VLP Villupuram. See, you can use this application for various purpose. Let us take a example. You are sending your kids to school using the school van, and the school van is following this route. You are boarding somewhere here, and you would like to get the alert when the school van crosses some geofence. So you can inform your van driver to create the set of geofences along the route and alert you whenever van crosses particular geofence, so that you will get ready at your boarding point. Same way, when you are using the company bus also, you can inform the company driver to create geofences and send alert to you when our company bus crosses a particular point. And if you are going to your office, and you can create a geofence in your office and alert your family members saying that you have reached the office. So this way you can use for many applications. The important thing is, after your travel is over, then you have to disable the route. Suppose you are going from Chennai to Trichy. After your travel is over, then you put this route as none, so that now the geofences won't be triggered. So whenever you again and traveling to this particular route, now enable the this route again. All the required information for this application is available in the help file. So you can go through this file. If you need any further information, then please get in touch with me. Thanks.